Welcome to this video, guys. Let's install PhpMyAdmin on our Windows 11. The process is also same for Windows 10, and let's create our first database. First, go to this URL. This link will be in the description below. You can just click on this link and we will choose the latest one, that is for PHP 8.2.12, and click on this download button. And this will automatically start download. If your download has not started, just click here and your download will start. Now I'm taken to this page. Here you can click on this, download the latest version, and now the download should start. Let's wait till this download is complete. Once the download is complete, just click on open file. If you're asked, do you want to allow the app to make changes, click on yes, and now your installer should open. Click on OK, click next, and these are the things that will be installed. As you can see, we will be installing mysql, FileZilla FTP server, Mercury Mail, and Tomcat, so on. And if you scroll down, you will see you'll also have PhpMyAdmin and so on. So just click on next, and this is where your XAMPP will be installed. Next again, click next, and your installation has started. Now, after the installation is complete, we will open PhpMyAdmin and create our first database. After the installation is complete, you will see this message that says, do you want to start control panel now? You can check or uncheck this. We will keep this checked because we want to now open PhpMyAdmin. Click finish, and now your XAMPP control panel will open. Here, start Apache and then click start on mysql server 2. Once both of these are running, open your browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now this should open your PhpMyAdmin. Here, let's create a new database by clicking on new, and we'll give it the name mynewdb. You can click on create, and this new database will be created and it will be shown here. Now inside this database, there are nothing here, so we can create a new table. Let's call it users. This will have 4 columns. Click on create, and now you will get to name your columns. So you can have ID here, username here, email here, and let's say age here, and you can change the types, and you can do all necessary things inside this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.